Crafting Vicky here with you, and we're here for day 5 of the 30 inks in 30 days challenge. But this one is special, and I'm so excited I'm almost shaking. So I had an ink that was planned that was going to be the Art of Darkness, and I got a pen and I really want to ink it up, and it's not going to be Art of Darkness. So this is my new Twsbi. I couldn't resist because I missed out on so many other Twsbi release before I started collecting, because I've only started this year basically collecting officially Twsbis. So I didn't want to miss out on this one, and Heidi had shown one of her Twsbis that she had gotten, and it was a limited edition, and I was commenting on how beautiful it was, and one of the people had commented that the Draco was coming out on March 31st. So I researched out what that was, and then I put myself a calendar note to make sure I wasn't gonna miss it, and I ordered it that day, and so it's here. Check that out. Oh, it's so beautiful, so beautiful. It's stunning. Reminds me a bit of my Conklin pen that I totally adore. The colors are like the pinks and the reds and the black and the rose gold. Everything is just perfect with this pen. I took a medium nib, and check out the nib. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. It's just gorgeous. I love the trim here in rose gold as well, and you can see the little window. So I didn't check which number I had because there was only 3,000 edition. The edition is only 3,000, and it should be written somewhere, I would think. Am I missing something? Is it written, or it's just that they're out there? The other ones are not. Maybe not. I guess those don't write the numbers, but you know that there's only 3,000, so you want to grab them when you have a chance. So I'm so excited. It's just so beautiful. Look at the cap. Love the finish on it. So I'm gonna go and flush this out, and then I will ink it, and that will be the ink of today, and I'll be back to share with you what it is and do a writing sample with this beauty. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So yeah, I'll see you soon. Okay, so I'm back. Oh, I'm so excited. It was really hard to choose which ink I wanted to put in this beauty. I decided to go with the Sea Storm from Krishna, and I think it's gonna go great with this pen. Let's hope for the best. I didn't even try writing with it yet. Oh, it's just so stunning. So stunning. Oh, yes, yes. And I guess you could post it. I would probably, I don't know. Is it secure? Yeah, pretty secure. I don't know. I would have to try to see which way I would prefer to do it, whether post it or not. I'm always afraid that I'm gonna damage this, so I don't think I would post it. I think I would leave it just as is, because I don't want to, you know, damage the resin and the beautiful, like, it's so beautiful. There's so many different little colors in there. Oh, I am gonna be looking at it all day. So here is the ink that we're using. So we'll do the little splash. and hopefully I do it well. I'm getting better. Let's see, seems to be. So let's go. Okay, that's a bit, I went a bit soft there. I went from having a big glob to not having enough. Okay, that's better. It's a purple type of ink, which obviously, if you know me, you know I love purple inks. But let me pull out the little card. This is the ink, and figured it would be a nice one. Could have used Australia's Rose as well, I guess, but I'm gonna have fun writing with this one. And let's do the little I like that ink. I do think it's a nice combo because of the dark colors in it. Oh, I love it so much. So I've pulled out one of the poems, and it's going to be When You Come by Maya Angelou, and I thought it was fitting because when you come, when this beauty little shows up. So the ink of today is Krishna Sea and Storm. Sea and Storm. We're April 6th, 2021, and I'm using the Twsbi Draco with a medium nib. Oh, I love that so much. Oh my god, I love it. If there's going to be room, I'm going to do the writing a bit. So when you come by Maya Angelou. When you come to me unbidden, be conning me too long ago rooms where memories lie. It feels like it's a purple, but it almost, when you're writing, I don't know what it is, but it feels almost like it's deep burgundy type, like it goes towards the red in my eyes. So I guess that's why I thought it would be fitting with this. Offering me as to a child in attic. Gatherings of these too few. Bubbles of stolen kisses, trinkets of borrowed loves, trunks of secret, whoops, secret words, I cry. Oh, this pen writes beautifully. I'm gonna be writing letters today. Finding any excuses to use it up. I love it so much. I'm so happy with this purchase. Like, so happy I didn't miss it. I want to mention something, because yesterday in my video, because I've been sharing my passion for fountain pens and for inks on my channel, because it's my channel, and I got somebody that left a comment saying how boring it was and that she much preferred when I craft. I totally get that. If you don't like fountain pens videos, like, I really put it clear that it's fountain pens, so don't force yourself to watch it. You know, like, I like sharing my passion on my channel. I like sharing the stuff I love, and that includes fountain pen, because I do use them for my art making. And I find that anything stationery related and anything that pertains to writing letters and all that sort of thing, it kind of goes with crafting. So that's my take on it. If you don't like it, don't watch. Please do not, you know, force yourself to watch something that you do not like. I don't get that. But I know that a lot of you guys kind of like seeing this stuff, and even though you might not be into fountain pens, you still find it interesting. So you know, you can't please everyone, I know that, but just wanted to reiterate how you don't have to force yourself to watch something that you don't enjoy. So, off my wagon, I just had to mention it. Like I said, this is the chromatography. That in itself, I just find so interesting, and I just think it's fun to see how the inks react to water. I'm just loving this process so much. And you can see in this ink how there's a bit of, hopefully you can see it, there's a bit of brown in it, which is probably, and the dark here, which is probably why I'm feeling like it's not a true purple ink. So yeah, so that's my ink for today, and my gorgeous new pen. And this guy obviously is going into the lineup, which is why I had told you guys that my lineup was not complete, because of this guy, but also because I know I'll be inking up other pens, because I don't want to waste any ink. I love inks, and I'm not wasting them. I'm gonna put them in pens, and I'm gonna write with them until they're finished, even if it takes me a while and I write a little bit every day, because I do write every day in my journals and stuff. I just like journaling and writing my thoughts and stuff. It's really helpful. So yeah, I hope that you've liked this, and I can't wait to read your comments about this. So excited about this pen. So love you guys, stay safe, and see you tomorrow. Bye.